Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating maliit na community sa Islamic Research Development and Research and Studies, kung saan natin ginaganap ang Eid al-Fitr. Katatapos lang po ng aming panalangin sa masjid, at after that meron konting salo-salo na ihanda ng ating mahal na si Brother Ustads Muhammad Nur Yunus ng Islamic Development Research and Information Studies. In behalf of our Ustads, Ramadan Mubarak to all of us. May Allah accept our dua and increase our blessings, good health, purify our wealth this coming months, inshallah. In behalf of our sponsors, may Allah purify your blessings. Alam nyo na po kung sino kayo, hindi na natin babanggitin para hindi mawala yung reward. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kumusta, brother? Enjoy your food. Ba't nakaupo ka dyan? Doon ka. Yan, may mga bisita tayo dito. Brother, kumain ka na din. Yan, ang daming nakarating mga sisters doon sa kabila. To all our brothers and sisters in Islamic propagation of International Islamic Society, Malaysia.